Wherever you're going, wherever you've been, follow you, follow you into the dark, on down like a falling star. Colors blur, memories fade.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Organized with Joy. In today's video, I am going to be deep cleaning and decluttering my kitchen cabinets and drawers, so come along with me as I get this project done. This is also a collaboration video with several of my other sweet friends here on YouTube. Usually the second Tuesday of every month, my friend Jessica Myrose and I host a challenge collab where we put ourselves up to a challenge for the month and then share our results. However, this month, both of us were not feeling it. Both of us just needed a break from this challenge collab, and so instead we are just going to be sharing some homemaking content with you, cleaning, decluttering, organizing, or any other homemaking content that the ladies would like to share for this month. So definitely check out the videos that I will link in my description box below so that you can get even more cleaning or homemaking motivation.
Golden bells, they ring.
I know I have actually shared this process on my channel, I'm sure a few times, because I have been on YouTube for almost 3 years now, and I actually deep clean and declutter each space in my home about every 3 months. So I don't always record every single time I deep clean and declutter a space, but I am getting this done on this day and sharing it with you. And so since I'm pretty consistent about deep cleaning and decluttering spaces around my house, I'm getting to the point where I don't really have a ton to declutter. So in the end, you'll see I didn't declutter a lot, but it's always good to get these spaces deep cleaned. I'm sure you saw some of the dirty spaces already, so it definitely needed it.
I've heard people talk of this thing called love. It's something that I never knew. The twisting and turning song in my head sounds like hallelujah, and I feel like I'm falling.
Y'all, this is my cup cabinet, and you might notice there's not a lot of cups in here, and that is because on this day when I was cleaning it out, a lot of them were just missing. They were either in my kids' rooms, my husband's office, or maybe in the dishwasher. But that is why, especially that bottom row where we keep our glasses, just looks a little bit empty. It's not that we don't really have any cups, it's just that they were not in the cabinet on this day.
And all through the windows it feels like sun breaking and soldering through every wall that stood so tall. What have I gotten into? 'Cause I feel like I'm falling. I don't know what to do. It's like waves on the ocean, over and over, pulling me closer. I feel like I'm falling. I don't know what to do. It's like waves on the ocean, over and over, pulling me closer. I'm falling. I don't know what to do. It's like waves on the ocean, over and over, pulling me closer to you.
I always love hearing from you down in the comments. Let me know if you have a regular schedule of deep cleaning and decluttering your spaces and how often you do that for each of your spaces. I have found that having a regular schedule where I'm deep cleaning and decluttering spaces in my home really helps me to stay on top of everything, and it helps me to not feel so overwhelmed with just keeping an entire home cleaned and decluttered and all of the nooks and crannies deep cleaned. So let me know down in the comments if you have some sort of system set in place to deep clean and declutter your spaces.
I need you like a rising sun. Let the light pour in and the colors run like midnight sky.
Y'all, I don't know if you follow me over on Instagram, but not too long ago, I shared a picture of this little tote that was plastic where I stored all of our paper plates and plastic cups and stuff. And it wasn't really too long after I purchased that off of Amazon that I found this one at Target. And I like it a lot better aesthetically, but also it is so much easier to grab from underneath the cabinet and pull it out versus the plastic one. And honestly, the plastic one really didn't cost that much money, so I'm not worried about it. I may try to use it in another space in my home, but that is why I have this other utensil holder here.
Flickering sparks of a wide-eyed child will run among that moonlit wild. 'Cause you're the breath that fills my lungs. Honey, I need you, you're the only one. I need you, you're the only one.
You might notice that there are some drawers or cabinets that I am skipping, and that is for whatever reason. For instance, my drawer that holds my Ziploc bags really did not need to be cleaned out because the way I have it configured, there's really nothing that can get beneath those bamboo storage bins, and so I didn't need to clean that out. I also did not clean out my pantry on this day. I like to do that on a totally separate day just because it takes quite a while to get that cleaned out, and my kitchen cabinets take a long time as well, so I just choose to do that on a different day. I can link my most recent video of me cleaning out my pantry in case you're interested in that. I also did not clean the cabinet that is above our refrigerator, and that is simply because there is nothing up there, so I don't ever worry about cleaning that out. In addition to that, I did not clean out our tea drawer for a similar reason as the Ziploc bag drawer, just the way I have it organized, just really no crumbs or anything gets into that drawer. And then lastly, I also did not share the process of cleaning out my spice drawer and replacing some spices, and that's because I shared that over on Instagram as a reel and also here on YouTube as a short. So if you want to see that process, you can go see that short video that I recently shared.
There's a half moon rising in your eyes. Nothing lonesome, everything's just right. It's just right. Up the canyon, you can see for miles.
If you are coming over from one of the other ladies' channels to check out my video today, first of all, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I hope that you enjoy this motivation today. I like to share cleaning, decluttering, and organizing content every Monday and Thursday on my channel. And actually on Thursdays, I do something called a Thoughtful Thursday series, where in my voiceover, I share with you my thoughts on a topic. If any of this interests you, I hope that you might consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell so that you don't miss any future content that I post.
Be inside your arms tonight. Hate that we don't get out much these nights. How did we get too busy for our lives? But what does it got to do with us now? What does it got to do with us now? Ooh, honey, I wanna be inside your arms tonight. Ooh, honey, I wanna be inside your arms tonight.
Y'all, I don't know if you noticed me constantly fixing my sweatshirt. It has kind of a bigger neck. I think maybe it was designed to be worn off the shoulder, but that wasn't how I was expecting to wear it on this day. And so I just kept fidgeting with it. Hopefully not too distracting, but it was totally irritating me. I wanted to go change, but I persevered and just wore it the rest of the day. But anyway, I just wanted to mention that if you see me messing with it. You might notice in some of these shots, I definitely see it in this shot, that the drawer liner has kind of gotten messed up in my cabinets and drawers, and I'm not too concerned about it. My cabinets and drawers in general are not in the greatest of condition. We actually have lived in this house for 13 years, but it was built in the late 70s, early 80s, that time frame. So these cabinets are definitely very old, and so it's just something that I have to live with for now, as we have decided to not replace these cabinets.
Someday soon, meet me on the moon. Meet me on stars are tracing the sky like city windows. I watch it reflect in your eyes. Slow dance on a New York City high-rise. You and me on top of the world, and I'm feeling like it was only ever you. And I'm feeling like it was something.
Oh my goodness, y'all. I did not have a cameraman panning as I was cleaning this space. My chair that I was standing on was pushing against my tripod, and that's why I was getting kind of that pan sort of effect. But anyway, just the little things I notice while I'm editing that I feel like I have to call out. Also, if you're interested, I fairly recently reorganized this cabinet right here, so I can link that video if you want to see that process.
Not sure if I even really know me. Something in you feels like myself. There's a way I see you in this moment. I will hold it all of my life, and I'm feeling like it was only ever you. forgot what it's like.
I did forget there are a couple other spaces that I did not clean. The corner cabinet there, you might be able to see, but it just has extra tiles and paint and just things from different projects we've done around our house that I just have stored back there. It's not a space that is easy to get to, and so I don't worry about cleaning that space underneath all of that extra stuff that's back there. And then in addition to that, above our double ovens, I have a spot where we keep a lot of like baking pans and whatnot, and I didn't clean that out either on this day, primarily because it doesn't really get all that dirty up there when I've cleaned it out in the past. I just have felt like it was a little bit of a waste of time, so I just decided not to do it on this day. So here I am just showing you the few things that I decluttered on this day. I will go into detail about them in my next monthly declutter with me. I know I didn't have a lot that I decluttered on this day. It's just like I mentioned, I'm pretty consistent about deep cleaning and decluttering spaces around my house. And so I've gotten to the point now where I just don't have a lot to get rid of.
Kiss me with the lights down now. Kiss me with the lights down now. Oh. Wherever you're going, wherever you've been, I'll follow you around every bend. Follow you into the dark. Throw your hair on down like a falling star. The colors blur, the memories fade. What we found destined to stay. Hold me and I'll hold on to you. Sing the story through.
As you might have noticed throughout this video, I really like to take the opportunity to decant anything that needs to be put into bins and jars when I'm deep cleaning and decluttering my kitchen.
Falling into a dream, swirling sounds, singing symphony.
Okay friends, that is all I have for you in today's video. I hope that you found this really motivational today, and be sure to check out the links to my other friends' videos down in the description box below for even more motivation. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!